Hello, this is Robert with Rolling Smoke Barbecue and Cooking. Just left the Pat Pot benefit. It's her cancer benefit. I got to meet her. Got to take a picture with her. She is awesome. You're not going to find more down-to-earth person than her. I got to meet her sister, her, and had a bunch of other cancer survivors up there that paid tribute to her, and they were doing door prizes and had live bands. Oh, it was a major turnout. It's still going on till 10 o'clock tonight. It's just we wanted to get out of Eunice and get back home a little bit later after dark. You know, not too late, because I don't like driving really after dark. So we went ahead and left, but oh man, it was an awesome turnout. She's just a genuine, down-to-earth person, sweet, and I gave her even a sticker to my YouTube channel, and she was all excited about that. So I told her about my YouTube channel, and she wished me luck with it and everything. She's just a sweet person. So if you can, and you're in the Eunice area, go out there. It's $20 to get in, but it's well worth it to support a good person like her. She's just a sweetheart. And like I said, they got live bands out there. They had Leroy Thomas and 2 other bands. And he had just finished up playing, so they had another band coming on up after him. And he's the whole community's out there with all over Eunice, from Eunice and all over. So y'all need to come out and check it out. Support a good cause. Support a sweet lady. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.